Hello, this is Bobby from Easter. We produce the best quality fudge cube in the market. Now I'm going to explain you why we are the best. First of all, this is our fudge cube. We have exactly the same function as the original ones. Let's take a look at joystick. It could free rotate as you wish, and the switch you see, and the one redstone, and the spinner. And look at the rubber buttons. Sound 3 with sound 2 silent. And for this, it could low and right click. And this gear also you could lower it. This is what we produce. And I could assure you that this is the best quality you can find in the market. But there are many cheap and low quality fidget cubes in the market. Let's explain you why their quality is so bad and they sell you so cheap. E-Star always use the best materials. This is ABS raw materials. As you can see, the color is white transparent. But others, they will just use this black ones. As the raw materials are transparent and white. Why they produce it white? Because they are waste materials. Once again, waste materials. Waste materials means that the internal structure is not stable and it will cause a lot of problems after maybe several days use. I will show you what the problem is. You can see they are exactly the same as ours, but after a week use, maybe just 2 or 3 day use, wow, you see all has problems. It cannot go back, and it will also make the gap bigger because the waste materials, again, they are waste materials. They will get deformed, and also the spinners not smooth, and the switch, let's say, they will be feeling not smooth. Thank you. Choose E-Star, the best quality. Thank you.
Bữa ăn ra đi xin nó chả